Hey guys, and it's time for the full review of MIUI 10, which is available right now for the Pocophone, and you can also call it Poco F1. And this thing comes with tons of new improvements, both in terms of user interface and experience. And it has a few artificial intelligence based features which will help you improving the battery life. And yeah, we are gonna talk about it later on, but first, how you can install it on your smartphone. So basically you will need an unlocked bootloader, and that thing is not going to void your warranty, officially confirmed by Xiaomi. And next you have to do is install TeamWin Recovery and at last flash the MIUI 10 zip file. It's pretty simple, and in future also you have to do the same method in order to install any beta version of any custom firmware. And I will leave all the links with tutorial in the description box below, so you can check that out. So basically with the MIUI 10, Xiaomi aims to improve the user experience and the interface, and we now have a brand new quick setting tiles which has a new blurred background, looks really nice and soothing. The new animations are also beautiful, and here's a comparison of the MIUI 10 notification panel and quick setting tiles versus MIUI 9.5 panel. And let me know in the below comment section which one looks nice. I would prefer the MIUI 10. I think it looks nice. Alright, so next we have a brand new Recents panel. This thing is actually better than iPhone 10 Recents, Android P Recents, and the upcoming Samsung Experience Recents. You get a bunch of cards which makes it easy to find the application you have used before, so that is nice. And with the Recents you get 3 options. First one is lockdown, which can be used to lock the application, and second is the split screen, which you guys know, a new level of multitasking, that is multi-window mode. And the third one is application info, which lets you view the information about the application. Another user interface change includes the new volume rocker options, which has a new slider, looks really nice. We have the new options. And the power menu background is also blurry, which makes it looks nice. So basically these are some user interface changes and some beautiful changes you are gonna notice in the MIUI 10 as compared to the MIUI 9.6, which comes pre-installed with the Poco F1. And apart from that, there is no user interface change in the applications or in the settings or launcher or anywhere. We have the same Poco F1 launcher, so no difference there also. And now about the new features that Xiaomi has added, that Google has added to this latest operating system. First off, the picture-in-picture is finally here. Previously Xiaomi eliminated this feature with the MIUI 9.6 or 9.5 based on 8.1 Oreo, but now with the MIUI 10 they have implemented it. And next we have the autofill option, which remembers your password so that next time you log into any application, any particular application like social media, Facebook, WhatsApp or any other application, this thing is going to remember your password. So there is a nice feature for the users. These are basic 2 features Xiaomi implemented, and the MIUI 10 is partially AI based. Artificial intelligence based, I mean, as it remembers the application you open the most and makes the uploading speed faster for those applications, and it also improves the battery life and performance of that device. Here's the settings and the about section. The security patch level is not the latest. Hope they will update it in the future builds, but as of now you will get July 2018 security patch, and this OS is also based on Android 8.1 Oreo. And Xiaomi said during the launch that by the end of 2018 they are gonna announce the MIUI 10 based on Android Pie for the Poco F1. So I'm gonna review that also. Stay tuned for that video. And now about the speed and performance and the battery life. The speed is not that great cause it's still in beta version. In future definitely it's gonna improve, but as of now the MIUI 10 for Poco F1 is not as faster than the MIUI 9.6 that is stable right now, and that comes pre-installed with the Poco F1. About the battery life, as I said earlier, it is improved thanks to artificial intelligence based features and battery tweaks done by Xiaomi, so this thing is great. And really impressed to see that development has already started for the Poco F1. We have MIUI 10, we have Android Pie generic system image working on the Poco F1. That thing is really nice. So get ready for some more reviews. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks again and peace out.